Hey guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Madhvi Gangwani, your boss girl, and today I'm going to show you how to create this cute braid hairstyle. So let's get into the video. So I'm taking my crown section roughly with my hands and also making sure I pull out some front sections. Make sure you don't make it too flat. And now I'm just basically tying my crown section with the use of a hairband. So guys, now I'll be creating 4 sections out of my crown section. And guys, don't be confused if you're really getting into 4 stems for the first time. Just look at these steps again and again and you just get used to it. So as I'm done with my 4 sections, now I'll be taking my first section over the second one and under the third one. So over and under, and now my 4th section under the third one and over the second one. So what you do is first take over and under, and from the other side you start from under and over. Starting with over and under, twisting it. Now with under and over the third. So you do opposite for the both side. For one side you start from over and twist it under, and from the other side you do it under and come it over. It's easy guys. So if you're doing one side, you consider 3 stamps and keep the 4th stamp away from it. That's how you will get it. I'll repeat the steps: over and under third one, under and over. Now I'll be just simply tying my braid with use of elastic band so it's not visible. So that's it guys, I'll give it a final touch. Just give it a pull according to the flow. I'll be pulling it more from the upper side and you can see the final look. It's super easy to go, cute hairstyle and creative at the same time guys. So guys, if you liked my video and this tutorial, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.